Sir, pwede na ba? You're still working there?
Printer's there talaga.
Yeah, but I mean, pwede na ilipat even if you're still working on it?
No.
Yun nga.
Wait
So,
till
it
they're
still
done.
has to be-
Yes. Baka bumagsak.
Eh, baka I won't be here na when they're done.
No. Pero you can tell them na.
Okay.
Diba? You can tell them na ito, dito, ganyan. And then you can guide na through their...
Mami, daw you come up?
Yan. This one naman,
Stay!
ito they made a mistake with this, kakainis.
Why?
Hindi kasha yung computer. I told them wala dapat bakal dyan. Very frustrating. Palpak palagi. Nakailang balik na sila, magpalagi. So frustrating. So we're still trying to fix it. Ang cute oh. Sinusulit ko na.
Was it always like yeah. Eto daw, why did you put this here? Or it's not the fix? I thought it was.
Put what? Ayan!